Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about significant figures. Okay, here are the some tricks we have to remember while solving any problems related significant figures. Okay, first of all, what is significant figures? Okay, these are the measured value of a physical quantity. Okay, tell the number of digits in which we have confidence. Okay, either it is a smaller number or it is a bigger number. Okay, we have to pick the confident one. Okay, first of all, let me write the decimal number system. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this, all non-zero digits are considered as significant always. Okay, any part, anywhere, if you see these numbers from 1 to 9 will be considered as a significant figures. And now come to the zeros. Okay, zeros. So we have to make a rule here. First one is trapped one. Okay, whenever you see the zeros trapped between any of this number, will consider as a significant one. Okay, for example, 201. Here three significant figures are there. Okay, 606. Okay, three significant figures are there. 2021. Okay, four significant figures are there. Okay, 808. Okay, three significant figures are there. Okay, if you see the zeros between any of the non-zero digits, then you have to consider that zero as a significant. Next one is, okay, leading. The leading zeros will always consider as a non-significant one. Okay, leading never be significant. Okay, for example, 0.03, only one significant figure is there. 0.003, only one significant figure is there. 0. Okay, let me say that 0.53. Okay, two significant figures are there. Okay, next one, 0.0006, one significant figure is there. Okay, here all the zeros will be considered as non-significant. Okay, next one, okay, trailing one. Okay, in trailing, okay, I can say that, okay, in the trailing, with decimal. Okay, for example, let me say that 2001 is there, but if I put one dot here, there are 4 significant figures are there. Okay, another one is I can say that, okay, 2000. Okay, I'll put on dot here. Now 4 significant figures are there. Okay, so here one more thing I can say that, okay, the 5 significant figures are there. Next one, the trailing without decimal point. Okay, let me say that 2000. Okay, only one significant figure is there. 100, only one significant figure is there. Okay, 800, only one significant figure is there. Okay, but if I write it here, 343.000, okay, there are 6 significant figures are there. Okay, these are the things we have to remember while solving, the significant figures. And also one more important thing you have to remember, 3 into 10 to the power 8, okay, meter per seconds. Here only one significant figures are there. Okay, and you can't consider this as a significant figure. Okay, 2.2 into 10 to the power 3, okay, meters. Okay, this is not a significant figure, so only 2 significant figures are there here. Whenever you see the 10 to the power, okay, you can't consider them as a significant figures. Okay, these all about, we have to remember while solving any problems related to significant figures. Okay, remember the trapped one is considered as a significant. Okay, leading will never be significant figures. Okay, when comes to the trailing zeros, okay, if there is a decimal point, you can consider them as a significant figures. If there is no decimal point, you cannot consider them as a significant figures. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, kindly subscribe this video. Okay, thank you very much.